Welcome to Small Beer.
We specialise in classic beer styles below 2.8% ABV. Beer for those who love great beer, but want to avoid the bleary-eyed consequences.
We're pioneering new brewing methods, shaping the future of drinking culture forever. It's a movement that's happening right now.
Our inspiration came from our own experience working in the drinks industry. After a long day at work, we'd go to the pub, scan the pump clips for a beer we could enjoy before heading home to our families. But we just couldn't find an option that would deliver on the quality and flavour, but that didn't leave us suffering the next day. So we started to do some research.
Our idea of a sociable strength, smaller beer, although revolutionary, isn't actually new. In fact, it's come on a big journey, all the way from Shakespeare's heyday, when it served as a safer alternative to drinking water, and was a staple of everyday British life.
Small beer is defined as being below 2.8% ABV. We've reinvigorated this long-forgotten category to serve as the perfect answer for the fast pace of busy modern lives. If you will, small beer is rooted in history, but we make it for today.
I designed our brewing kit specifically for the purpose of brewing small beer, to maximise flavour production over alcohol. And we brew to full strength. No stripping out the alcohol or removing it. No additives, just great beer brewed the way it should be. We use only the highest quality ingredients, twice the typical amount per percentage point brewed. We then store our beer in vessel for a minimum of 6 weeks, a process called long lagering. That's 10 times longer than the industry standard.
We're extremely proud to be London's first brewery to achieve B Corp certification, recognising that we meet the highest standards of social and environmental responsibility. And at the start of 2021, we also became a 1% for the Planet partner. One of our key sustainability focuses is saving water. Where industry standards typically require 8 to 10 pints of water for every pint of beer brewed, our bespoke brewing kit needs just 1.5 pints of water to brew 1 pint of small beer.
We have saved over 6.5 million litres of water since we started brewing in 2017, inspiring positive change across the industry. The small things can make the biggest difference.
The beer market is worth 19.3 billion in the UK and over 520 billion globally. In the UK, the low and no category sits at £450 million and grew by 58% year on year, showing a seismic shift in our attitudes towards drinking. Our belief is that growth is only set to continue. Our very first trade account was the Savoy, with others following suit, the National Theatre, the Fuller's Estate, the Wolseley, as well as listings in Majestic Wine, Whole Foods, Ocado, and Waitrose. With small beer, it's never been easy to find that all-important balance. Long Sunday sessions in the garden, Friday evenings in the pub, or even a Monday afternoon toasting to the end of a working day. Whether you're a parent, juggling nappies and nap times, a cyclist looking for the ultimate post-ride reward, or simply someone who wants a beer without the slowdown, small beer has you covered for every moment, big and small.
Despite the challenges brought on by the pandemic, we've continued on an upward trend since growing the business by 130% in 2020.
In the past year, we ran our first billboard campaign across the southeast of England, developed our e-commerce and subscription model, and made a big splash with household names like Ocado.
We launched our brand new IPA, brewed using 100% organic and UK-sourced ingredients. And it won gold at the World Beer Awards and Best Organic Initiative at the Drinks Business Green Awards. We scaled the country, delivering care packages to 400 Waitrose and Majestic stores, and on top of all of that, increased our brewing capacity by 150% with the addition of 6 new fermenters, and started to export small beer to new international markets.
We have big plans to expand small beer beyond these shores, with this raise allowing us to launch our online store in 4 key markets, starting in Spain, Italy, Denmark, and then the US of A.
We've made available a total of £2 million of shares in Small Beer.
With each phase of our raise allowing for a new level of expansion and growth, meeting production demand and growing the world's greatest low alcohol beer in the UK and abroad.